Welcome back to B for Crypto, and yes guys, are we going to see a massive crypto dump this week? Because guys, I've got some bearish and also some bullish news that we're going to cover in this video. So guys, we're going to look at all the important data that we're going to get in this week, because yes, we're going to get an announcement from the Federal Reserve, but guys, we're going to look at all of this important data that we could expect and also the bullish and the bearish scenario for Bitcoin, and in the end of the video, we're going to find out how our altcoins are performing that we bought last week. So guys, if you want to find out more and if you always want to stay up to date, make sure to watch the video until the end, smash up the like button and subscribe, and most importantly activate the bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. And guys, we're going to start directly on the 4-hour chart, and as you guys can see, we pumped all the way up to the levels of $23,970, and this was also our resistance area and also the area where I told you in my free Telegram group that you should take some profits off the table, and we saw this massive rejection towards the downside. But guys, at the moment we are still having a higher low for Bitcoin in comparison to the previous low, and this is quite bullish. And we're seeing that Bitcoin is bouncing from the level of the 100 moving average exactly at the $23,000 level. So this is quite bullish for Bitcoin. This means that we are still in this uptrend, and maybe this is just going to be a fake out towards the downside and even a retest from this ascending triangle, and that we're going to see the continuation even higher. But guys, at the moment we have one bearish and one bullish scenario that could play out. So guys, let's go over to the scenarios and find out what could happen in the immediate short term. But guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, first make sure to be in my free Telegram group and sign up with BITGET, where you receive a massive deposit bonus of $5,000. So let's go over to the weekly chart. So over on the weekly chart, yes guys, we can see that Bitcoin had a bullish move towards the upside and we went up 40%. And yes guys, some of you maybe spotted it already, we have a death cross on the weekly chart, and this is a bearish scenario guys. This happens if we're going to see that the 50 moving average will cross the 200 moving average, then we could expect a massive dump for Bitcoin, maybe even coming all the way back down to our very important trend line round about the levels of $17,300. So this would be the worst case scenario for Bitcoin and also the bearish scenario that could take place. But guys, let's go on the daily chart to find out what is going to be our bullish scenario. And yes guys, we're going to see a golden cross if we're going to see that the 50 moving average on the daily chart will cross the 200 moving average, and that is very bullish for Bitcoin guys, because let's zoom out and find out what happened the last time that we got this golden cross. And yes, we could see here we had this golden cross and Bitcoin pumped all the way up to our all-time high. As well, we can see that here we had a golden cross and we had this massive pump towards the upside. So guys, are we going to see that we're going to form this golden cross on the daily chart and that we're going to break this bearish scenario on the weekly chart, that yes, we're going to come with the price movement of Bitcoin over the 200 moving average on the weekly chart, and with that we could see that the 50 moving average will turn around exactly here? Because guys, we're going to find out what we could expect on Wednesday, where we're going to get the next announcement from the rate hikes from Fed Jerome Powell. And yes guys, what are we going to see? Are we going to see a 50 basis point rate hike, or even a hawkish behavior of 75 basis points, or are we even going to get a 25 basis point rate hike? Guys, let's go over to this article and let's find out what is the overall probability that we're going to see. And yes, at the moment we can see that it's 98% that we're going to expect a 25 basis point rate hike. So this would be neutral data and what is expected from the overall market. So guys, we could expect major volatility in the markets, but guys, let's wait and let's find out what is going to happen on Wednesday. But guys, make sure to stay out of the markets and stay out of any trades on Wednesday, because you'll get wrecked, because we're going to see a lot of fake outs and even liquidations during this announcement. So we're going to wait for a clear direction for Bitcoin until we're going to enter the markets. Talking about gains, let's go over to our altcoins that we have accumulated last week. But guys, before we're going to go over to the altcoins, make sure to go over to cryptoclothing.com, because yes, they have officially launched their website, and go check out all of the awesome crypto clothing designs. So guys, go over to cryptoclothing.com. So yes guys, we could see in the charts of Gala that we have formed this W on the daily chart for Gala, and exactly at this bottom we accumulated Gala, and at the moment we can see that we are in profit already round about 20% towards the upside, and this is quite bullish guys, because guys, in a short period of time we have made 20% gains, and that is just awesome guys. Let's go over to Avalanche. So guys, over on Avalanche we can see that yes, we had this perfect buy over the 200 moving average, and at the moment we are already 12% in profit. So guys, we could expect some major profits if we're going to see that Bitcoin will break the very important level round about the 25,000 US dollar level. Then we could expect that the overall crypto market will get a massive pump towards the upside, and we're going to make some massive profits on our altcoins that we have bought recently. But guys, I'm going to keep you updated because I already have the next coin that you must hold in your wallet. So guys, let's go over to the total crypto market, because yes, we are over the 200 moving average on the weekly chart, and that is overall quite bullish for the crypto market, and I could expect that we're going to see a pump even higher, and that we're going to break this very important level for Bitcoin, the 25,000 US dollar, and then we're going to break this very important line for Bitcoin, yes, the 25,000 US dollar level for Bitcoin, because if we're going to break this level towards the upside, we could expect that we're going to reach all the way up here to the levels of 30,000 US dollar for Bitcoin in the immediate short term, because yes guys, here in this level we can't see a lot of resistance in between the 25,000 and the 30,000 US dollar level. So we could expect once we break the 200 moving average towards the upside, we're going to get a fast move towards these levels. But guys, overall the markets are quite bullish, and don't get turned into this bearishness that is in the markets, because yes, we are seeing a correction at the moment, but this is just healthy guys. Nothing can go up in a straight line. Make sure to dollar cost average into Bitcoin and all of the altcoins. Use my link in the video description below to get a massive deposit bonus of 5,000 US dollars. And guys, make sure to smash up the like button and subscribe and activate that bell so that you always get notified when I upload a new video. And let's break the algorithm. And guys, make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.